finally back here. So in this video I'm about to show you my new Apple products I received yesterday, and this is my main one. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max in Pacific Blue. I already put that case over there with my daughter on it, and got this new, I cannot say new, but I got this privacy glass because I kind of like it, because I don't want to share everything with the others. So if I have someone near me, it don't have to mean that he can always watch what I'm doing and everything. So basically this phone is really good. I don't see a big difference from the 11 Pro Max, but yeah, it looks better because the form of the iPhone 5, 4 and stuff, it's really better than the rounded one from the iPhone 6. So I kind of like this form. I'm not right now at home, so I'm just recording over here. So because I didn't upload in a long time, I didn't upload for a month now because something happened to me, and that's why I don't know if I will record even a video again. But yeah, I'm back. I'm right now good. So the camera has a slight improvement. The zoom is a bigger one with a 12, not a 10 like the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I didn't see other big differences. The battery is not that big like the iPhone 11 Pro Max, but yeah, we have to switch. We have to go to the new Apple products. Anyways, what I'm about to say, I was on a bad mood because, like I told you, something happened and I didn't have the time to record a video because it was something really bad. And yeah, but we have to live on. So anyways, thanks for watching. These are the 3 iPhones that I'm about to give away because I'm a man of word, and these 3 type of models I will be giving away: the iPhone 12 mini, 12 normal and 12 Pro Max. That blue one is mine because it's my main phone, and I will do a review of all these 3 models, and all of them will be given away to you. So all you have to do is please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram. 2 persons I will choose through YouTube channel, and 1 I will choose through the Instagram account. So if you already did all these things, all you have to do is comment down below that you follow me on Instagram and that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also will see if you subscribe or not, because it's not something that can be hidden. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I was away for a month, like I said. It happened something and I'm back, and the giveaway will be, as promised, completed. So if I reach 2,000 subscribers, I will announce the giveaway. I have right now 1,200, so it will not take a long time. Anyways, thanks for watching and peace.